Let me guess, you hit record and your brain just leaves. It's completely gone. And the words that came out, words you know, words you say every single day, they come out like you're speaking a language you just made up. And so now you've decided that you're camera shy. You're not. You're underprepared. Completely different problem. Completely different fix. I want you to stay with me. Here's what no one wants to say out loud. Camera shyness is an excuse. And I like to say excuses are like belly buttons. Everybody has them and they're useless. It's a story we tell ourselves so we don't have to admit we didn't do the work. Zero judgment. I've been there. The camera isn't the problem. That blank white noise feeling when you hit record, that's the problem. And here's the difference that actually matters. Shy is a personality trait. Underprepared, that's just a Tuesday. So most people do one of two things. They wing it and then wonder why they sound like they've never spoken English before in their life, or they write out every single word and read it back like a hostage video. Neither works. What works is a framework. You want to make sure that you have a hook, then you have the heart, and then you have a strong close or a CTA. That's it. When your brain knows where it's going, your mouth can relax. It sounds obvious, but most people don't do it. I don't want you doing 17 takes. I don't want you watching yourself back and cringing so hard that you need to leave the room. I want a run through. This is it. Out loud, not in your head, but out loud before you hit record. Extra points if you do it in front of a mirror. Your mouth needs to know what's coming. Athletes warm up, speakers warm up. So you're about to perform. Give yourself 90 seconds and practice. That is the whole ask. And here's another little trick. This is actually why a lot of videos lose momentum in the first 3 seconds. Even when a person is totally prepared and completely ready, it has nothing with what you want to say. It's something you need to do with your body before you even open your mouth. Before you say a single word, your shoulders are already talking. You're hunched, you're braced, you're tight, you're holding your breath, and people can actually feel that. They can't explain it, but they click away because you feel awkward. The fix is almost embarrassingly simple. I want you to sit up, take a deep breath, and smile before you hit record. And hold that smile when you hit record, and then come back and do it again. Hit record, take a deep breath, and smile. That breath resets your nervous system. That posture tells your brain you're in charge. And by the time you open your mouth, you're already watchable. That's 26 years of watching people on camera. That's what it's taught me. So if this landed, subscribe. Let's hang out some more. I have got more videos in this series and they go way deeper into what actually is getting between you and a video that converts. And of course, they're gonna be short because I know you're busy. So remember, the next time you freeze, don't diagnose yourself with something you don't have. Build the framework. Take the breath. Practice. Hit record. Smile and take another breath. Now in the next video, I'm gonna show you how to script without sounding scripted. I know, amazing. I mean, I don't wanna be a bully. You go watch whatever you wanna watch. Stay on my page though, or you can go watch this great video. Go watch it. I'll be here dancing and pointing, dancing and pointing, dancing and pointing.